Beef prices in the grocery store are getting ridiculous. $25 a pound for ribeyes, $36 a pound for fillets. We have to figure out a different way. We gotta focus on these lesser known cuts that are cheaper and will give you the same experience as some of these more expensive cuts, but for half the price. I introduce to you the flat iron steak. Let's go. My name is Brad and I am the Butcher Wizard. I teach people how to save a ton of money cutting meat themselves. On this channel, we cut meat, we cook meat, we eat meat, and that is what we live by. Today we're talking about flat iron steaks, and I'm gonna show you a way to prepare them that you are going to never buy a New York strip or a ribeye ever again. We're not spending all these high prices. We are doing an economy cut, putting a nice marinade on it, cooking it over open fire. It is going to be so, so good. This is a flat iron steak. Now it comes from the Chuck Primal Cut. If you watch this channel for any length of time, you know I love cuts that come out of the chuck. There are these secret butcher's cuts, and the flat iron may be one of the best. It comes from the shoulder clod. So basically what happens is you take the Chuck Primal Cut and they cut it into a chuck roll and a shoulder clod. The chuck roll, we can get the Denver steaks and chuck eye steaks, things like that. But from the shoulder clod, the prize piece from this cut is the flat iron steak. It is a relatively small rectangular piece of meat that is super well marbled and tender. So it's kind of doesn't fit in the chuck, which is known for being a little chewy. It is like that hidden gem that's stuck in the chuck. Now, another way that you can buy flat iron steaks is by buying a whole top blade roast. I know this is gonna get a little technical here. So we start with the Chuck Primal Cut. We go to the sub primal cut of the shoulder clod. Then we go down to the top blade roast. And then from there, we can get our flat iron steak. I'm gonna show you real quick how to save at least $2 to $4 per pound on flat iron steaks, even though flat iron steaks are way cheaper than the New York strip or the ribeye. Bear with me, we are going to save a ton of money here. Take notes, let's go. All right, so this is a top blade roast from my grocery store. Now, as you can see, it is $8.99 per pound. The thing about a top blade roast is it is two flat iron steaks on top of each other. And in between is this really thick connective tissue that makes it really, really chewy. So basically what we're gonna do is take our boning knives and we are going to cut horizontally along that connective tissue and get two flat iron steaks from here. Now, the difference in price already, so we got the top blade roast $8.99. Now, the flat iron steak at the same grocery store was on sale for $10.99, normally $13 a pound. So we're already saving a ton of money just by finding a top blade roast, doing a little bit of trimming, and having two flat iron steaks. It's kind of like this hack. It's kind of like this thing, not everybody knows about this. This is where you're gonna save some money over the regular person who just stumbles upon this cut in the grocery store. All right, so here we go. Let's get down to separating the two flat iron steaks from this top blade roast. Bust it out of the package. And you can see this piece of connective tissue right here in the center, and that is what we're gonna follow on the top and the bottom to take off this connective tissue. So we're gonna start where that line is and just take our boning knife and just take the tip and really just hone right down on that seam, just like that. What we're gonna do as we go ahead and cut, we're gonna peel back the muscle and then just make a little cut and then peel back. Cut, peel back. And here is our first flat iron steak. Do the exact same thing from the bottom side, flip it over, and just take that piece of connective tissue all the way out. And here is our other beautiful flat iron steak. So here are our two flat iron steaks that are perfectly ready for the grill outdoor cooking, marinating. There's a beautiful, it is so good. It has so much marbling and it's so tender if you don't overcook it. So here is our beautiful flat iron steaks. Next, I'm gonna show you just how simple this marinade that goes on this flat iron steak is. It comes out of my new cookbook called Primal Cuts. It is a London broil marinade, which is a great all-purpose roast marinade for beef. It is very simply just a half cup of Worcestershire sauce, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce. It has 4 cloves of chopped minced garlic, and then a cup of avocado oil. You mix all that together, you put your beef in there and let it sit for at least an hour, up to overnight, and then it's ready for your grill. I'm also firing up my Brio outdoor fire pit with the grill attachment, and we are going to do this over open fire. Something called flat iron steak definitely needs to be cooked over open fire, don't you think? I think so too. While we're waiting for the beef to marinate, I wanted to show you a little bit about my new cookbook called Primal Cuts. Look at this handsome guy on the cover. You gotta have one, right? So basically this book is unlike any cookbook you've ever had before. Instead of doing the apps and entrees and desserts and things like that, I wanted to focus my cookbook on cutting meat and cooking meat and eating meat, which is what we do on this channel. So basically every chapter is a different primal cut of beef. This book is all beef. Where's the beef? It's in this book. Each chapter we take a primal cut. So let's take the chuck for instance. So I show you how to break that down through pictures and words and all the things you need to know how to do. And then we go on recipes for those cuts of meat. So like we're doing today, we're doing the flat iron steak. I show you how to cut a flat iron steak, and then I show you how to cook a flat iron steak. There are 100 recipes in this book, and it is so much of me in a book. It is available for pre-order now. The book comes out November 11th, 2025. If you go ahead and pre-order before that release date, I'm gonna give you a couple of free gifts. First free gift is my holiday gift guide for 2025. Maybe you need some help shopping for that person in your life who likes meat, who likes to barbecue, who likes to grill, but you don't know what to get them. Well, this guide is gonna show you all the brands that I really like. So not only do you get them a book for Christmas, but then you also get them a grill, you get them a knife, you get them a cutting board, you get them all the things that are in this guide. Also, I'm going to throw in a 7-day free trial of the Primal Cuts Club. Now, the Primal Cuts Club is my private members only community in which I'm going to go ahead and show you how to break these cuts down even further through video. Top-down video. It's almost like a companion to the book. So I look about how to break down a chuck roll. Well, boom, I got a video in the Primal Cuts Club, close up how to break down the chuck roll. So you can get it from looking at it on print, and you can get it looking at it at a video. Also, if you have questions, you can ask me directly. So the Primal Cuts Club, twice a month, we have live Q&A calls. So you can actually come and ask me a question. Hey, I saw in the book that you did this way. Why did you do like that? Or I'm stuck here. What can you help me do? And I will help you live on video. It's really simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and pre-order on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, all the different places in the description. And then you're going to click on this other link that's going to take you to my website. And it's going to say, hey, put in your email. And I'm gonna send directly the holiday gift guide and the coupon code for a 7-day free trial to the Primal Cuts Club directly to your email. So, couldn't be simpler. Couple of clicks, you're good to go. And man, thank you so much for supporting the channel and everything that I've been doing. Super excited. Go ahead and click all the links in the description. And thank you so much for your support. All right, so here's our flat iron steak. We marinated it. We cooked it on the open fire Brio fire pit with the grill attachment. Now it's time to slice into this thing and just give it a taste. Every time I'm getting to the slicing part, here comes my dog Glory. She is ready to taste test. So let's get this thing sliced up. We're gonna be using our 12-inch meat slicer from the Butcher Wizard collection. Again, if you want to get links to this and the Brio and all the other things I recommend, go ahead and pre-order one of the books and you'll get a free holiday gift guide, which this is on there, the Brio's on there, a lot of stuff's on there. So here we go. Let's, whew. This smells so good. Beautiful. With this flat iron steak, you don't want to cook it too much. So you don't want to go over medium. This is a little medium rare. That's how I like it. Slice it really thin using that knife. It just cuts like butter. Let's give it a taste. So much flavor. You know, with the it really takes that marinade on very well. So that balsamic is going to be a little sweet. The soy gives it a little salt. Everything comes together. It's got a great big beefy flavor because it comes from the chuck. Man, this is a pretty good. We might say goodbye to the ribeye and the New York strip and just do flat iron steaks until the prices kind of correct and get back to normal. Ribeye better watch out because flat iron is coming for you. We'll see you on the next one.